Hello my jelly bean and gingerbread, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Mark. I know I've been away for a while, haven't made any videos at all, and the reason for that, so that's just what I want to talk to you guys about. The reason for that is because I've been demotivated. It's not that I don't have any topics to talk about and stuff. Sometimes, like, because of my personal issues and stuff like that. Sorry, I'm watching football, so that's why. Because of my personal issues, stress, work related stuff like that, just have a lot of stuff on my mind, like trying to focus on life, saving, stuff like that. So a lot has been going on with me, and I'm trying to balance out everything and then finding the time to make videos and stuff like that. So all of that, compiled together, causing me not to make any video. So it's not that I don't want to make videos, I want to make videos, I want to keep my YouTube channel going because people really like it and people really look forward to the information. However, it's just me. I need to do more, I need to push myself more, I need to put out that extra effort, and stop being, so lazy in a sense, and just motivate myself, just push myself, self-motivation. So it's not because the channel is not growing or anything like that. It is growing. It's not because I get tired of it. No, I don't get tired of it. But it's just that I'm moody at times, and then sometimes it's like I want my content, I want to put out more informative videos and stuff like that. I want to do more, but with everything else going on in my life, it's a setback. It's a little setback, and then I can't share everything with social media. I can't share everything with the world because I'm a private person as well, so I'm not going to share everything, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm still here, I'm still going to make videos, but I don't want to give a timeline or anything like that. I don't want to be like, oh hey, blah blah blah, and then I don't do what I'm supposed to do, stuff like that. So I'm still here, I'm still going to make videos. I just need to motivate myself again, get that self-motivation going, so I can actually put out more videos for you guys, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I appreciate all the support and stuff like that. I know you guys, subscribe to the channel because, you like me and you like the content that I put out, and it's helpful and stuff. So just hold on a little bit. I'm going to try my best to see if I can make some videos, upload them, get some new intros, stuff like that. Just put in some work and upload some more videos so you guys can enjoy it. Just try to twist it up a little bit. Try my best. I don't really go out and do anything. I don't really do much. Just my life is kind of boring, semi-boring in a sense. It's just work, sleep. So yeah. But I just want to make that video to let you guys know that I'm still here, I'm still alive. So I'm going to edit this and post it on the channel, and just a little channel update. And I hope everybody is doing okay as well. I hope everybody is alright. I haven't heard from a lot of my gingerbread and jelly bean like how I used to. And I post video, you guys would see, and then we'd have a conversation and stuff. So, but I hope everybody is okay. I hope your family is okay. I hope everybody is happy or trying to be happy. Everybody is saving and trying to have a better life. So, once again, thanks for all the support, and I'll work on the videos and I'll try my best to upload them. Thanks very much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. JVLOGS, Mark Plunkett, I'm out. Until the next video. Bye bye.